Welcome to Star Professional College. This is Side by Side Book 1. Chapter 4. Main Objectives of Chapter. Section 1. Verb to be short answers. Possessive adjectives. Section 2. Everyday activates.
1. Brushing. 2. Cleaning. 3. Feeding. 4. Fixing. 5. Painting. 6. Reading. 7. Washing.
Hi, what are you doing?
I'm fixing my sink.
What's Bob doing?
He's fixing his car.
What's Mary doing?
She's cleaning her room.
What are you doing?
We're cleaning our apartment.
What are your children doing?
They're doing their homework.
Listen to the model.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am. I'm washing my hair.
Do exercises 1 through 15. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
Is Frank busy?
Yes, he is. He's cleaning his apartment.
2.
Is Helen busy?
Yes, she is. She's feeding her cat.
3.
Are you busy?
Yes, we are. We're fixing our TV.
4.
Are Jim and Lisa busy?
Yes, they are. They're painting their bedroom.
How to say it. Attracting someone's attention. Listen.
Jane? Yes? What are you doing? I'm doing my exercises.
A busy day. Listen.
Everybody at 159 River Street is very busy today. Mr. Price is cleaning his bedroom. Ms. Hunter is painting her bathroom. Ricky Gomez is feeding his cat. Mr. and Mrs. Wong are washing their clothes. Mrs. Martin is doing her exercises. And Judy and Larry Clark are fixing their car. I'm busy too. I'm washing my windows. And of course, I'm watching all my neighbors. It's a very busy day at 159 River Street.
Listening. Listen and choose the correct answer. 1.
What are you eating?
2.
What is she reading?
3.
What is he playing?
4.
What are they painting?
5,
What are you watching?
6,
What is he washing?
7. Pronunciation. Deleted H. Listen, then say it.
She's fixing her car. She's cleaning her room. He's feeding his dog. He's washing his windows.
Say it. Then listen.
He's painting his apartment. She's doing her homework. He's brushing his teeth. She's reading her email.
Yes, they are busy fixing their old car and talking side by side.
Hi, what are you doing?
I'm fixing my sink.
What's Bob doing?
He's fixing his car.
What's Mary doing? She's cleaning her room.
What are you doing?
We're cleaning our apartment. What are your children doing?
They're doing their homework.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am. I'm washing my hair.
Is Roger busy?
Yes, he is. He's cleaning his kitchen.
Is Julie busy?
Yes, she is. She's fixing her bicycle.
Swing it, down and out, double arm. We'll do this 4 times.
Are you busy?
Now reach and pull.
Yes, we are. We're doing our exercises.
Sideway up.
Are Tom and Susan busy?
Yes, they are. They're painting their garage.
Hello?
Hello. Is this the Mifflin residence?
Yes, it is.
May I please speak to Mr. Mifflin?
I'm sorry. He's busy right now. He's fixing his computer.
Then may I speak to Mrs. Mifflin?
I'm sorry. She's busy too. She's painting our garage.
Okay. I'll call back. Thank you.
Hello?
Hello. Is this the Miller family?
Yes, it is.
Can I speak to Mrs. Miller, please?
I'm sorry. She's very busy right now. She's cleaning the attic.
Well, then, can I possibly speak with Mr. Miller?
I'm afraid he's busy too. He's doing his exercises.
Okay. I'll call back. Thank you.
Hello?
Hello. Is this the home of the Ming family?
Yes, it is.
Is Mr. Ming there?
Yes, he is, but he's busy. He's washing the windows.
Is Mrs. Ming there?
Yes, she is, but she's busy too. She's walking the dog.
Okay. I'll call back. Thank you. Lisa, I'm having some problems. I'm calling everybody, but they're all...
I'm busy. I'm talking to a customer.
Sorry.
Hello?
Hi, it's me. I'm having a very strange day. Everybody's busy. And...
Dennis, honey, I'm sorry, but I'm very busy right now. I'm feeding the baby.
You're busy?
Yes, I'm very busy.
Oh. Okay. I'll call you later. Hello. I know you're very busy today. You are? Yes, I am too. I'm very busy today. It's a very busy day. Everybody's busy. I'm busy, you're busy, my wife is busy, my baby's busy, 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 busy.